Alright guys, and randomize the Bucks numbers. 6:55 right before tip. Good luck. Here we go. We are going live. We are live. 6:55 p.m. March 4th. 6:55 p.m. March 4th. We are going to grab the list. Here we are. We got that. We're going to copy it. And we are going to paste 10 entries. Alan on top. And Jerry on the bottom. Roll 2 dice, 5 or higher, just like a Raz. 7, that's good. Good luck. 7 times. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Dice is 7. Next click. Got your numbers, guys. Good luck. And 7. Here's your numbers. I will drop them into the post at the bottom. Good luck, everybody. We are done. 6:56. I will type done. We are done. 6:56 p.m. 6:56 p.m. Timestamp verification code. I will put these again at the bottom of the post. Good luck, everybody, and we are done.